Some stories are written in books, but some are written in blood. Some names are remembered, but some are egged into history forever. Today, we are not just talking about a regiment, we are talking about a brotherhood of warriors, a force that stood firm when nations trembled, a legacy that marched through wars, borders, and time itself. This is the story of the Jat Regiment, a symbol of courage, sacrifice, and unmatched bravery in the Indian Army. And trust me, by the end of this video, you won't just know their history, you'll feel it. The roots of the Jat Regiment go back over 2 centuries, but its real test came during the world's darkest hours, during World War II. The regiment was deployed across multiple deadly theaters. Imagine being a soldier, thousands of miles away from home, fighting enemies you have never seen before, in lands you have never heard of. In the scorching deserts of North Africa, the 3rd Battalion faced relentless combat. In the dense, suffocating jungles of Burma, Battalions 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7 fought brutal battles. In Malaya and Singapore, the 2nd and 4th Battalions held their ground against overwhelming odds. Different battlegrounds, different enemies, but one identity, Jat. And one promise to never retreat. India had just gained independence, but peace didn't last long. The newly born nation was thrown into its first war, the India-Pakistan War of 1947-48. This wasn't just a war, it was a fight to protect identity, territory, and sovereignty. The 2nd Battalion fought fiercely in Nowshera. Their courage earned them the battle honor Rajouri. The 3rd Battalion did something extraordinary. They captured Zojila Pass, a strategic gateway connecting Kashmir to Ladakh. Think about that of a second. High altitude, freezing winds, enemy fire. Yet they pushed forward because failure was never an option. In 1948, India faced another challenge, integrating princely states. During Operation Polo, the 6th Battalion played a key role in annexing Hyderabad into India. This wasn't just military action, it was nation building. Then came 1962, the Sino-Indian War, a war fought in extreme conditions. The 5th Battalion stood its ground in Ladakh, facing a well-prepared enemy with limited resources. Sometimes bravery is not about winning, it's about standing your ground when everything is against you. And that's exactly what they did. The Indo-Pakistani War of 1965 was a defining chapter. This is where legends were born. 3rd Jat captured Dograi near Lahore, a mission so dangerous it demanded sheer willpower. 5th Jat captured Philora in the Shakargarh sector. Other battalions fought across Punjab and Jammu. These weren't just victories, they were statements that no matter the odds, the Jat Regiment would always rise. Then came one of the most decisive wars in South Asian history, the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. This war changed the map of the world, and the Jat Regiment, right at the center of it. 13 battalions participated: Eastern Front, Madhumati, Komila, Kumira. 12 Jat witnessed the historic surrender in Chittagong. Western Front, intense battles in Rajasthan, Punjab, and Jammu. Imagine being there, watching an entire army surrender. That moment was not just victory, it was history being written. But a soldier's duty is not just to fight, it's also to protect peace. Under the United Nations, the Jat Regiment served across the globe. Korea, Congo, Sudan, Lebanon, from warriors to peacekeepers. Same courage, different mission. In 1999, the mountains of Kargil called, during the Kargil War, battalions 4, 8, 12, 17 and 18 took part in Operation Vijay. Fighting at impossible heights where even breathing is a challenge. But they climbed, they fought, they won. Republic Day Best Marching Contingent multiple times. Environmental Award in 2010. Welfare initiatives like Moji Ram Helpline. This proves one thing. They are not just warriors. They are leaders, protectors and nation builders. The story of the Jat Regiment is not just about wars. It's about sacrifice, about brotherhood, about a promise to the nation. A promise that no matter what happens, they will stand. So the next time you see a soldier, remember this story, because behind every uniform, there is a legacy like this. If this story made you feel proud, share it, because bravery deserves to be remembered. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.